Got off to a fucking cracking start. Oh, Jesus, that was a big hit. They got pitched over the bars. That would have been untidy. I need to pull some rebound out of that rear shock. It's a bit boingy. A lot of emus out. Never going to get sick of this place. I will, however, get sick of the emus. Alright, I'm looking for the fabled widow-making crack. I think it might be over there. Fuck it. Get used a lot. Give it a little girly go, I suppose. See how badly you can fuck it up. Shaylee. I'm on a quest to find the yellow-foot wallaby as well. Them little blokes are pretty elusive, to say the least. I have no idea where I am. Come on, kids, get out of the way. Oh, bro, you alright? Fuck, that was a big stack, brother. There's a hole there. Oh, jeez. Oh, look at him go. They're awesome animals. He's been chewing on something dead down there, probably. You're a big boy, mate. You just put your big boy pants on and you ride down, alright? Oh my god. I'm so lucky. Look out, kids, I'm coming up. Come on, run like the wind. Actually, you boys run ahead and tell me how bad it gets. If old mate stacks it, I'm not going up it. Whoa. Hey, whoa. Good old there. All into. Good looking creeks around here too. You boys are going to run into that fence. Uh-oh. Yeah, stay there, you fucking idiot. Oh, you dumb fucking animal. Seriously. Like, was that really necessary? You love a good creek line. Tried mustering on this thing the other day. I'd never done it before. I think the farmer just wanted to laugh. So he said, go and get them sheep, mate, and go through that gate. It was pretty funny. He was having a good chuckle to himself. And yeah, the old 700, she's not good for mustering. It's pretty hot, pretty quick. It's a very tall first gear. I'm really going to have to start thinking about points of no return in a minute because I didn't put any fuel in. Just going for a quick flat. Do that without armour. I'm fucking 100% sure I don't want to do that without armour. Point of no return is reached. What do they call that? Pussying out? Yeah, no harm in pussying out something. There we are. Disaster averted. Jesus. It's like just liquid. Whee! I love this country. So much fun. Could go back up that, I suppose. It's pretty spicy. I wonder how the new camera angle's going. That's what this whole ride was about, just testing this camera angle. And it's turned into bigger than Benny Hur again. Having regrets. Done with style, finesse, and a whole bunch of traction control, and rewards for effort. It's God's country. That'll do me. Back to the homestead. Wake you up. Wake up! Wake up, stupid hand.